Good morning, students. I am Dr. Vijay Bhandari. So today we are going to perform program number 1. Find out the best fit line using regression. Okay, so before this, we are going to learn about machine learning. So we will cover today what is the machine learning first, and second, what is the regression and types of regressions. Okay, so now let's start with regressions. Okay, so the question is arising, what is a regression? So regression is creating a relationship between the dependent and independent variables. Like you can see here, this is our data sets, and these are two columns: year of experience and second is salary. So these are two variables which we are created here and storing these values. So you can see here, if we plot the graph, simply we here to plotting the graph, and by this scatter. So you can see here, this is the scatter, and we now click here and add trend line. For this we can see here year of experience versus salary. So year of experience increases and then salary increases. Okay, so suppose 1.1 years having salary a person have, so 39,343. So 1.3 years having 46,205. So you can see here this graph. Click here, and this is the thing. So this is a linear graph, and we are setting the display equations on chart and display r squared value on chart. Okay, so you can see here the data points is near about this line. So this line is called y is equal to mx plus c. You might be knowing about this equations. Y is the variable and x is the x variables, and m is the slope and c is intersecting the y-axis. So this is the year of experience and this is the salary. Okay, so when year of experience is increases, salary is also increasing there. So this is creating a drawing a line, straight line. So the formula is y squared to mx plus c. So here we can see the data points is near about the baseline. So we will implement into in Python. So you can see here, now we write here code, simple linear regression. So first we create, well, importing the libraries. So we are importing NumPy as an NP, and then importing Matplotlib as a PLT, as well as importing pandas as query. So in the first cell here, importing necessary libraries is like pandas to give structure to our data, NumPy to perform mathematical and other relevant operations, then Matplotlib to create charts. So in our first cell. So now in below cell, importing our data set of salary data dot CSV. So when year of experience increases, then salary increases. So x variable and y variable. Yeah, x is independent variables and y is dependent variables. So index value is here mentioned by 0, and as you already know, index in Python starts from 0. That's why height column is depicted as depicted by the index value 1. So now I am splitting the data set into the training sets and test set, keeping the test data set 30%. So you can see here 1 by 3, this is the test size. Now fitting the simple linear regression to the training sets in this side. Okay, so we are creating a linear regression methods as a class from the sklearn linear model. Okay, and now we creating our objects regressor is equal to line regression method. So regressor dot fit and x train and y train. So we are fitting this method regressor into a x train and y train. Now in Excel, predicting the test set results. Y prediction is equal to regressor dot predict x test. So we are doing prediction on the basis of independent variables. Now in next cell, visualizing the training set results. Now we are scattering the plot x train y train, and we are giving the red colors to the line. And now we are using the x train regressor dot predict x train is color is equal to blue. So the prediction of y is denoted by the blue. Now this is the labeling here: salary versus experience, training sets, year of experience, salary. And now in next, moving into next cell, visualizing the test set results. So the color of x test is red, and x train negation dot predict is denoting by blue color. And we are labeling here salary versus experience, test sets, and year of experience salary. PLT dot show plotting. So this shows the plot. Okay, so now we run this code and getting the results. So this is the training sets. So this is the training sets, and as I discussed here, the blue line is indicating the straight line, and data points indicating by the red data points. So year of experience increases, then salary increases. So this is the training sets, but we are taking the in another part 30% testing sets. So this is the test sets after training. So it is giving the accurate results. Okay, so it increases the accuracy in line. This is called test bed line. Okay, so data points are nearly to the line, but in this you can see here the training data points are little far away from this line. So this test set increases the accuracy of the data points, and this is called test fit line. So this is the experiment number 1, find out the best fit line using regression. Now we will see in next session experiment number 2. Okay, so you might be clearing all the doubts. If you have any doubt, so ask me please. Thank you. Thanks for today.